very quick apology to anybody who had to sit through that set. I know it's daggy and I know it was garbage. And it was cagats. But we do what we can and we support the locals. Anybody that rides a short bus, we're there for them. We're there for them.
Get your boyfriend. Get this guy far away from you. He got his 5 minutes of fame, 10 minutes of fame. It's done. That's it. So cherish the moment. Remember what this feels like. And never let go.
You cry in the sunshine and light in the rain. Won't dance in the moonlight. I think you're feeling the pain. I've waited a long time and finally found my way. You're holding me down. I'm trying to live, but something's gotta give.
I can't believe I came all this way for that.